Hello Facebook, hi Instagram. We are live. We are waiting for more people to tune in to Facebook and Instagram. We're doing both streaming at the same time. And tonight with Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, we're going to be talking a lot about needling. And you'll find out what I'm talking about once we get started, as soon as a lot more people tune in. So we'll wait a few minutes. There's some people too. I have to put my glasses on to read who is tuning in. So we have Kathy has joined. Hello, Kathy. I know that you have had these services before, and I know that you really enjoy these treatments. So I know you're tuning in to find out some good juicy stuff. Ah, look, we've got Sky's joined in. Hello, Sky. And we've got people are just joining in. I love it. I love this. So we're gonna wait a few more minutes and we'll let other people tune in with us, and we'll get started here soon. And then Sky and Tiffany Shoup is joined in. Hello, Tiffany. And then if they have a request to join in to the Facebook Live, we'll get you all signed up to join in with us. Thank you, Sky. You're so sweet. Oh, thank you. People, I love your little comments already, but you'll have a lot more time to ask some questions about the needling and what we do here at CAPS. So we're going to be talking about what all the MedSpa specialists do. So we'll find out here soon. I think we'll give it a few more minutes. We've got several different treatments that we consider a needling treatment. So you'll be very informed and you'll know what treatment you want to have like tomorrow. We want to get in and have these treatments done before the Christmas season begins, Thanksgiving even, but the Christmas season begins because you want that glow for Christmas. You want to look like you had a good summer, and that's what the treatments that we offer will do for your skin. So, and I will talk about some of the products that we use with the treatments as well. So you'll be learning a lot this hour. So I see a lot of people are tuned in. I love that people are joining us tonight and waiting for some information. So thank you guys. Jackie has just joined. Jackie 24. I have to wear my glasses because I can't see the small print here. I can see this one, but so you'll see me putting my glasses on and off as I'm talking to you guys about the needling treatments that we offer here. Hello, everybody that's joining. Hello. I'm so glad you're joining us. Robin, hello. Okay, guys, I think we've got enough people online and everybody is ready to learn about what CAPS, we call it CAPS, it's Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. And we, at the MedSpa, we have 7 MedSpa specialists, and we offer different treatments for all skin types, and male and female, young and old. So all these treatments that I'm talking about tonight will be something that you can do if you're young, if you're old, if you're getting married, if you have acne, if you have fine lines and wrinkles, if you want to prevent fine lines and wrinkles, scars, and just skin repair. So I'm going to start out with thank you all for joining tonight, but I'm going to start out with our skincare treatment called the Vivace CH Machine. It is microneedling with radio frequency, and so it's a 2-part treatment. Actually, it's a 3-part treatment if you include the LED lights that we use with the treatment. So with the microneedling piece, we have gold tip needles that are 32 needles, and it's gold plated, so it really looks good on this one here. So what these needles are, that's your microneedling. This is a sterile tip that is used one time and then we discard it, but the needles in here are robotically injected into the skin to do your microneedling treatment. And if you see the red light here, it's our LED light. So I'll talk about that in a few minutes. But microneedling helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with scars. It definitely regenerates your skin to stimulate collagen and elastin, and that's what we want to look young and youthful. So starting with the microneedling piece on this Vivace, you're going to get that surface correction of pore sizes are going to be corrected. Fine lines and wrinkles are going to be lessened and softened. It helps with overall skin glow and rejuvenation, and it's stimulating collagen underneath the skin. So then once we get that injected into the skin, the needles, the tip of the needle, once it's inside your skin, the radio frequency then pulses. And what that is doing, so you're getting double the benefit of a microneedling treatment. And what I mean by that is, first of all, your microneedling is surfacely correcting any imperfections that you don't like, fine lines and wrinkles, pore sizes, acne scars, acne itself, hyperpigmentation. And then the radio frequency piece works even more. It works deeper under the surface. And what it does is tightens the skin in that area where the radio frequency is hitting. So what we're trying to do is create a controlled injury. And by doing that, we're going to stimulate collagen. We're going to call that collagen up to that site. So it's going to tighten your skin. It's going to make your skin feel firm. You're just going to have a wonderful glow. Your skin's going to look radiant after this treatment. So you have the microneedling piece, you've got the radio frequency piece, and then you also have the LED piece. So the LED piece, this one with it being red, will help to penetrate any products that we use on your skin. So we use hyaluronic acid, and then there are a couple of other treatments that we can add into the Vivace treatment. As I go on, I'll talk about those. But anything that we put on your skin after the microneedling treatment will be penetrated with this red light. It helps to penetrate it even deeper. And that's wonderful because it's gonna help accentuate that treatment. So we also have an LED light that is blue. And so if you have acne, while I'm doing your treatment, the blue light will help calm down that acne. So this is a wonderful treatment for anyone's skin because you're getting the microneedling, you're getting the radio frequency, and then depending on what's going on with your skin, it will treat that as well. So acne, if you're an older skin type and you want the products to be penetrated a lot deeper, then that would work. And then you either can do acne treatment or the deeper penetration depending on which light you're using. So that's the Vivace treatment. We are one of the only practices, we are the only practice in Columbus, Ohio that offers the Vivace. So it's a wonderful treatment. A lot of my clients that get the microneedling treatment have graduated up to the Vivace treatment and they love it. It lasts long when you do a series of 3. So the results, typically your skin will rejuvenate every 4 to 6 weeks. Dead cells, it starts to look dull, it starts to look, just like older. So you want to come in every 6 weeks and have something done. With the Vivace, if my clients ask me when should I have it done, how often should I have it done, I always suggest have it done every 4 weeks for a series of 3. So 4 weeks you would do a treatment and then you would wait another 4 weeks and do another treatment and then complete your last one 4 weeks after that. So then you have 3 treatments done every 4 weeks apart. And that just helps stimulate more collagen. It helps your skin look better, and then that process lasts a lot longer than just having one treatment done. But saying that, also having one treatment done, if you're getting married, if you're going to a class reunion, if you are meeting girlfriends, or you're going out on a first date, you want to have this treatment done at least once, and then that radiant skin is what you're going to get with just one treatment. But if you want to improve your skin as a maintenance program, I would say do 3 every 4 weeks, and then maybe 3 to 4 months later do another series of 3, and then let your MedSpa specialist suggest when they would want you back. So that is the Vivace. It is spelled Vivace, and when you call in, just mention that we talked about it online, and it was the one that has the light. So there is another microneedling treatment that doesn't have the light. So I'm gonna answer some of these questions that are popping up.
The first question is, how much downtime should someone expect to have after this procedure?
So that's a great question. I love that question. With microneedling treatments, a lot of people go online and they look at other companies that do microneedling treatments and compare it. It is not the same. The Vivace, because of that radio frequency piece, so I don't like the word cauterize, but it really stops the bleeding. So when you inject the needle into the skin, that radio frequency is heat, so it's going to stop your bleeding. So you're not going to have redness, you're not going to have downtime. With our office, we always make sure our clients look presentable to leave the office and go and do something else in life. So you're not going to have a lot of downtime. You may be a little pink if we go aggressive, and that we will let you know, and we'll talk about that with you. But coming in for a general treatment, you don't have any downtime at all.
What does somebody have to do to prepare for a needling treatment?
So to prepare for your microneedling or your Vivace treatment, we really don't have a lot of prep, but if you are using some of our products like our retinols, our glycolic products, then you'll want to stop that maybe a night or two beforehand. You won't want to have Botox done before. Like if you have Botox on Monday and then you want to have a Vivace on Tuesday, it's not advised because you don't want to disrupt that Botox. So you do the Vivace first and then you can do the Botox right after. So you can do Vivace and Botox together. You can do dermaplaning with Vivace. You can do some of the other treatments that we'll talk about with Vivace. But to prepare for it, you just kind of want to be, you don't want to have any sunburn. You don't want to have any like pustule acne going on because we don't want to do the Vivace over top of that. So we would wait for that to heal up and then you can do that and we can kind of help correct and finish that treatment to clear up some of that scarring.
I'm going to skip Casey's because hers is a good one to the next topic. But Sammy asked, does it hurt?
So we here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery will offer you numbing cream. So you will come in and we will give you your numbing agent and you'll put that on about 30 to 40 minutes before your treatment. And then during the treatment, the MedSpa specialist will cleanse your skin, clean it and sterilize it, and then do the treatment and you feel nothing. So the Vivace 2 with this, it's very gentle and each pass goes in gently. So this is unlike a microneedling machine where you're kind of doing circular motions. This is a controlled robotic injection. So you literally just press, and I'm pressing so it doesn't hurt my hand at all. So this is how it's done. So the robotic method is amazing. This is probably the best thing that's been invented since microneedling because of that radio frequency piece too. You might feel a little bit of heat, but you kind of want that because you want to stir up that collagen. And here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, we do offer numbing agents. So don't worry about being in any kind of discomfort.
And then one last Vivace question before I get to Casey's. How often should I do the Vivace?
Oh, so a Vivace can be done, I have a client that does it every 6 weeks. That's extreme, but they want that. They love the result. But for most clients, I suggest doing 3 treatments back to back and having them spread out 4 weeks apart. So do one 1 week and then wait 4 weeks and then do another one and then wait 4 weeks and then you're done with your first series. And then you can do up to 3 or 4 series a year.
Awesome. And then Casey's is a good one for the segue to our next question. What's the difference between RF microneedling and regular microneedling? Which is best for tightening?
Okay, that's a really good question. I love that. So thank you, Casey, for that question. That is a very intelligent question because there is a little bit of a difference. With the radio frequency Vivace, this one's going to do a lot more lifting and tightening because it is radio frequency. So you're getting that microneedling piece. You're using 32 needles versus 9 with the microneedling, which I'm going to start talking about. And then you also have that heat of the radio frequency. So you're definitely going to get a lot more tightening. This is kind of like the microneedling on steroids. So this is going to be very intense, but no downtime and no pain. So it's I say the word intense, but it's an intense result. So not intense with pain. So Then we have the other instrument she was talking about was microneedling, which we have our, I just spilled all of my products in the back. So we have our microneedling machine. This is our new microneedling machine. This is a wonderful treatment. Also, it's a little different. It's a very silent treatment. So you can hear that it's on. And this is a smaller instrument. There are 9 little needles inside here. And this microneedling, so I'm gonna use a product. If I can find my product, I got it. So it's called Elastin. So this is one of the products that we definitely pair with our needling. So we call it nectar, needle with nectar. So we would take this product and apply it to your face. Well, let me start back. So you're gonna come in, same with the Vivace treatment. We're gonna cleanse your skin. We're gonna have you put numbing cream on for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then bring you into the MedSpa room and cleanse your skin, sterilize your skin. And then we're going to do the microneedling with the product. So with the Vivace, you don't use a glide, a product to put on the skin to help glide the tool. You want this to be, the Vivace to be dry. The microneedling instrument, you do want it to glide, so we're gonna use the Elastin to kind of put over the face and then take the needle area and do the circular motions like I was saying. So you're just literally doing circular motions with this. And these needles are also very, very fine. They're, if I can get them up there, you can't see those, but they're really, really fine needles, but there's only like 9 needles in this one. So what I'm trying to do with both the microneedling and the Vivace is to stimulate a controlled injury. And by doing that, I'm stimulating your collagen to the surface so that your skin looks radiant, your skin looks tight, and your pores are corrected. It helps with pigmentation as well. But the most part we're trying to do is anti-aging, so we're trying to prevent wrinkles and correct scarring and help with pore size. So the question being which one is more aggressive for lifting and tightening, it would be the Vivace because of the radio frequency piece, but the actual microneedling treatment is still a really good treatment. I do this one a lot with my clients that come in prior to having a wedding or a party as well. So there is a little bit of a difference, but this is your traditional microneedling, and then you have your Vivace. And most offices, when you come in and you're asking for a microneedling treatment, Columbus offices don't have the Vivace, so when we do it a little different than when you go to another office, it's because it might be a different instrument. So we don't use a glide during the Vivace, but we do with the microneedling, and that's kind of a standard way.
And we have a question from Jen. When can I start wearing makeup after?
So that's a really good question as well. So in most incidences, we don't want you to use, I don't want to sound bad. I don't want to make anyone else's babies sound ugly, but any bad makeup. So what we do here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery is we use mineral makeup or mineral sun protection. It has tint in it, so we don't really call this our makeup line, but that's what I have on my face now. I have these products on my skin, and I use it as my foundation and my makeup. So we use this because it is a mineral makeup. It is not going to irritate your skin. So I'm using needles to puncture a hole, a controlled hole into your skin. So you don't want to put anything on top of that isn't safe. So the Elastin product that I mentioned is wonderful for your skincare product, but makeup, any kind of makeup you can think besides mineral makeup is not going to be what you want to use on your skin post-treatment. So we're going to try and find another question here before we move on to our next needling product that we have. We have so many wonderful needle stuff here.
What are realistic what are realistic results after a series of 3 treatments? Like, what can you expect after 3 treatments?
That's a really good question. So after 3 treatments, you will have, your pore size will be improved. Your skin will have a tightening look. You'll have a glow to your skin. It's a lot more even. The texture looks better. Scarring has lessened. And then wrinkles are lightened up a little, so like deeper wrinkles look less deep. So it helps with a lot. I have friends that have had this, and I've been out and don't know that they had a microneedling treatment, and literally look at their skin and I'm like, you had a microneedling treatment, because their skin is so, it's a different look. Your pores don't look like your pores. Your skin has a nice glow. It's shiny. It's very even. It looks wonderful. So it definitely is an improvement, and a noticeable improvement, and all your girlfriends and your mom will notice.
How often do you need to do microneedling? So I'm assuming they mean the second treatment.
Yes, so microneedling, just your general microneedling treatment, is very similar to the Vivace treatment. I can do either one of them. You can do it like every 2 weeks if you wanted to. But for the purpose of our office, our MedSpa specialist suggests doing it every 4 weeks for a series of 3. So you would do 1 microneedling, and then 4 weeks do another microneedling treatment, and then do your last microneedling 4 weeks later. You can also do a series of 6. So you would have every 4 weeks, you would do a microneedling treatment every 4 weeks. And that would be this microneedling treatment. The Vivace, we already kind of discussed that about coming every 4 weeks as well. So they're very similar.
How long until I see results?
You will leave off the table immediately. I did a microneedling on a client yesterday. The other problem that microneedling will help is, we have these fine lines and these wrinkles on our necks that go this way because it's tech neck, and you're constantly looking at your textbooks and your iPhones and your computers, and you're always looking down, and then your muscle here starts to crease, which is not an attractive look for me. I hate it. But my client yesterday had it, and she came in specifically for the neck. She included the face, but she's like, I really want my neck. I hate the wrinkles on there. And I did it, and I went a little more aggressive because that's where she had her problem and her concern. She got up off the table, and she literally is like, I think I see a difference already. And she really had some of the improvement on the lines that she was really bothered with. So, some people are immediate. It depends on your med spa specialist, but and how aggressive you can go. So I can go very aggressive, but you may have downtime with it. And a downtime, I'm talking like a week. But if you leave my table on a regular kind of like, I just want improved skin, then the next day you go to work and you just look radiant.
Can you dermaplane and microneedle at the same visit?
That is really a good question, and most of our med spa specialists do that. Our clients, are addicted to dermaplane. You're not coming in and not getting a service without getting a dermaplane first. So even our staff, it's like, okay, are you not going to dermaplane me first? We're trying to get them in and out of the room real quick, but we have to dermaplane them first. So that's just spoiled staff. But yes, everybody can have a dermaplane. It will lift 5 weeks of dead skin. And then I do a treatment, so you're going in with healthier skin to microneedle or do a treatment with. So dermaplaning that's a really good question, because yes, you can dermaplane. The skin looks amazing because of that, and then I'm going to correct your pore size, your fine lines and wrinkles, your hyperpigmentation, your acne scars with the microneedling, so then you really look good. That's a really good question.
This one's a really good question too. Do you recommend the finishing touch protocol for men as well as women post Vivace treatments, or are men handled different?
Oh no, here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, we treat men the same way. We actually have 4 plastic surgeons here, so they're treated equally. The finishing touch protocol, this is what the client is talking, or the person is talking about. For male, did I say female? 4 board certified plastic surgeons. I'm sorry. Yeah, 4 of them are male. One of it, we do have a female plastic surgery. I'm sorry, my partner over here is telling me, you're forgetting we have, no, I know we have 5. I'm just saying we have 4 male. We have 1 female. So, but this is the product that they're talking about. This is the Finish and Touch protocol. And so this is what we use after each treatment. No matter what you're having done here at our office, we make sure that you look good by putting the Finish and Touch protocol on all skin types and all clients. So it really helps with, 1, protecting your skin, 2, giving you a nice look so you can leave, because sometimes if we do an aggressive treatment, you will be a little pink for the first 24 hours. So we do want to make sure that you don't feel uncomfortable. So confidence ready, that's what we use the Finish and Touch for. And yes, we do it on male. We're looking for another question here. All these questions are so good. I'm loving that people are tuning in and they are asking all these questions because there's so many things to learn.
Can you discuss pre-treatment and post-treatment for microneedling, and how important is it to get the results?
So to get the results of the microneedling. So the pre and post treatment. So pre-treatment, we typically will have you stop using any kind of retinol or glycolic beforehand, and then come in, have your treatment, and then you'll stop those products as well post service, because you don't want to use anything that's drying or stripping or aggressive on the skin. So you want to use the Elastin product that I was talking about post. And the Elastin, what this does is it's a cream that you will apply to your skin right after, during the microneedling and right after the Vivace treatment, to help your skin create more collagen. So it is collagen stimulating product. This is the best thing that Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery can offer you post microneedling. We also do have the HA5, which is another product that is really good post microneedling and the Vivace, because it is a hyaluronic acid, and that is going to help plump and feed your skin hydration. So you definitely want to hydrate the skin, plump it up, and give it the nourishment that it needs to repair itself. So that is the post, and that is the pre and post. And then how long does it last? It lasts for everyone's skin. I can't give you an exact how long does it last, because everyone is different. Some factors that will affect any treatment are if you smoke, unfortunately, having treatments done, it will injure and slow down your progression of healthy skin. Oily skin tends to heal a little slower. Thin skin, so those are some of the things that will kind of slow down the result. But if you have a good, healthy lifestyle and you're in here for skincare treatments and you come on a regular basis, your results will last about a month, and then you'll be due for another treatment. And then if you kind of stack them up, it usually lasts about 6 months. Yeah. So the next treatment, it's one of my fun treatments that I love, is another treatment that Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery is bringing in to increase collagen. So this little capsule here, we fill this with several different products. So I have some of them here. It's a Botox, it's CBD oil, it's facial filler, it's hyaluronic acid, and even vitamin B12. So it's a really good cocktail that we mix into this little capsule area here. And then we take the sterile lid. See, it has a cover on the needle. So there's a sterile lid that you then screw into the capsule, and all of your products are in here and mixed together. And then you would take off the cap here. And then again, there's gold tip needles. And what we're doing with these gold tip needles is we are literally, I'm gonna put this back on for the demonstration. So we're literally just hand puncturing them into the skin. So we're literally just taking the products that's in here and putting it in the skin. Now, the reason why I like this treatment is you can use this as a single treatment, like just dermaplane and then get an aqua gold treatment. Or what I love doing, and most of my clients are doing, is have the Vivace treatment done. So I've got a lot of holes going with the Vivace treatment. You're not bloody, you're not looking horrible. And then I take your mixture of your aqua gold treatment and I then go over the same area and I'm inserting all of these great products. each product has a purpose. So of course we all know what Botox does. With the Botox, with the Aqua Gold, it's not your injection from the physician that we get here. It's more surface. So if you have big pores, if you have, it just kind of helps on the surface tightening. So it's not a Botox injection where you can't move your forehead because you got the Botox in treatment. It is for pore size. So it's surface, so you can get Botox and Aqua Gold on the same day. So you can do that as well. Of course, you do the Aqua Gold first, and then you would see your doctor and have the Botox. We also do a facial filler, which is hyaluronic acid, so that's gonna plump your skin, but it's really just on the surface area. So you notice immediately that you look amazing. CBD oil and vitamin B12, those help stimulate collagen. So by stimulating collagen, you're just aiding the result of your Vivace or your microneedling treatment. So the Aqua Gold is an addition treatment that you can do to enhance any treatment that we do here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. Do we have any questions about the Aqua Gold?
Melissa says sign me up, so I think she'll be coming in to see you soon.
Yeah, this is amazing. We can't even keep it stocked. Like the girl that Sammy that does our, she brings all the supplies up. She's like up there every single day restocking us with this product because clients, you can have like a treatment and you're scheduled for an hour and you're talking to your MedSpa specialist and they start talking about Aqua Gold. My clients are like, well, can we do it today? And you can do it anytime during your treatment. So at the end of the treatment, we can always slap on an Aqua Gold. So yeah, so if you kind of want more information, you come in, you talk to your MedSpa specialist, and then she can kind of guide you if it's something you should do, something you need to add, and talk to you more about that. But yeah, the Aqua Gold has been a huge hit here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. It's just an added collagen stimulating benefit. And then the next thing we're going to talk about is, I don't have it open because it is a sterile process, but it's our PRP. So we have a kit. What PRP is, it is your plasma used to stimulate collagen. So as I was talking about the Elastin product and the Aqua Gold products, this is not one of those. This is your own product from your own plasma from your own body. So what I do is one of the nurses will draw the blood from your arm, and then we take it to a centrifuge and we spin it down, and what happens is your blood splits from your plasma, and we have a tube, so you withdraw the product that you don't need and you get rid of it, and then you have this little bit of product that is your plasma. And what plasma does is stimulates your collagen when it's injected or microneedled into your skin. So we are microneedling your own plasma into your skin, and that helps to improve your skin. It helps with your pore size, it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, it helps with pigmentation. So it does a lot of things. And so the PRP is used with any of the products that I was talking about, the services, that I was talking about. So your microneedling treatment, your Vivace treatment, we can use that post-treatment and during the treatment for the microneedling. And then also with the Aqua Gold, you can actually put PRP in here and you can inject your PRP with the other products that we add. So PRP, Botox, and hyaluronic acid, that's a powerful, powerful bullet right there. Do we have any Aqua Gold questions? Okay, so moving right along. If you have questions with any of the things that I have talked about tonight, you definitely can meet one of our 7 MedSpa specialists and come in. If you feel like you want to maybe get an evaluation first, we do offer a first evaluation where we'll sit down with you for an hour, talk to you about what we think your skin needs, and kind of work out a plan, a yearly plan. Like, I think you need this many Vivaces, or let's start with microneedling, let's just dermaplane you, or something like that. So we'll start out where you'll feel comfortable with what you need by your specialist. So we're not just going to have you, a lot of my clients have been introduced to me by initially coming in and having a Vivace treatment, but not everyone wants to do that, so you can come in and have a first evaluation with any of our specialists if you are if you don't attend Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. So all new clients can come in and have that first evaluation. If you are an established client of Columbus Aesthetics, then definitely talk to your MedSpa specialist, and she can guide you on what you should do and what treatment's best for you. My favorite treatment is the Vivace with the Aqua Gold with PRP in it, but that's just me. That's what I like to do. But that's my favorite one. And then just talk to your esthetician. We do have a lot of other products and services that we offer here. So there's so much that you can get. This is just a night about needling. So we just wanted to talk about all the needling that we offer. How much time are we doing? Are we doing good? Are we having a lot more questions going on? We've got some people popping in still and asking questions. And
we have Kelly said hello.
Hello, Kelly. How are you? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read it. So my partner here is helping me with the questions and reading everything. Nope, we're good. Okay, so again, my name is Marcella Anderson. I am one of the MedSpa specialists here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. We are 7 MedSpa specialists. We have 5 board certified plastic surgeons, and we have many services that we can offer to you. I just saw that we have 20 minutes left, so I can talk all night long. As anyone will tell you, I can talk. So let's talk about some of the other things that we do here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. If we're talking about needles, then I did want to kind of pop up some of my other services. So we have the microblading. So we've got Microneedle, we've got Vivace, we've got Aqua Gold, and we've got the PRP. So we've got a lot of needle stuff, but the microblading is totally different because it's not a face treatment. It is actually the microblading treatment that you do for permanent makeup with the eyebrows. So you would use this tool to create like hair stroke looks on the eyebrows. So it's another service that we offer here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, and that is a very popular treatment too. So anything needle we do here, and it is a very popular treatment as well. So I see we have some questions on that too. I see some questions popped up as we were talking about it.
Will CAPS add a facial threading service through your med spa? Is threading a beneficial service in your opinion? Sorry.
So yes, so threading is something we don't offer here at Columbus Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, but it is something that, I mean, if something is good and beneficial for our clients, then we're definitely going to look into that service, and definitely if it's something that all the doctors and all the med spa specialists think will benefit, we will definitely bring that into our service. So we have Facebook Live and we have Instagram Live, and I'm so happy that everyone joined. This has been really fun because it's something that I love talking about because I do it all day, and I mean I could talk all day about all services and all products. But again, microneedling Vivace with radio frequency is one of our really popular services that we offer here, and we are the only office in Columbus, Ohio that has the Vivace machine. So that is your microneedling on steroid type kind of treatment. And then we also have our microneedling treatment that also is one of our fan favorites, and our clients love this treatment as well. So both of these treatments are really good for your pigmentation, your fine lines and wrinkles, your pore size, and just kind of getting your skin a glow. A lot of our clients get it prior to having a wedding. Most of my clients will do a year's worth of skin treatments up until their wedding day, but then we have clients that come in and they just realize they needed something done and they have a wedding in 2 months, and so you can get in a couple of microneedlings in that period of time, and your skin will look wonderful for your wedding. So it'll be something that'll help glow. And then also with the Aqua Gold, you can add your PRP treatment, which is the injection of, or the blood where I draw your blood, and then spin it down and use it in the aqua gold as well. So if you guys have any more questions, we're going to wrap it up here really soon, and I'm gonna have to say goodbye because my hour is almost up and I'm so sad, but I did get some really good questions, and I love all you guys tuning in to support me and to ask questions. This has been a really good night. Yeah, so I'm gonna say goodbye.